Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting by verifying the essentials so we don't chase ghosts. First, make sure your laptop's Wi-Fi adapter is enabled in settings or with a hardware switch. If it's off, you won't see networks. Once enabled, confirm you're selecting the correct SSID and enter the password carefully. If networks appear but won't connect, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, then restart the laptop. This clears temporary driver glitches and renews the radio, which often fixes the majority of simple connection failures. Next, dive into addressing address and driver problems so packets can flow. If you get limited connectivity, renew your IP lease. On Windows, run ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew. On Mac OS, use network preferences to renew DHCP, because stale leases block access. Then check the adapter driver. Update it through Device Manager, or roll back a recent update if issues started after a driver change. Meanwhile, power cycle the router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and let it fully restart before testing again. To finish, fix name resolution and corrupted profiles to restore stable browsing. Flush the DNS cache to remove bad entries, and if sites still fail, switch to a reliable public DNS like 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 so you can rule out resolver problems. If connection settings persist, forget the network profile and reconnect to remove broken credentials. And one key troubleshooting tip: if everything still fails, create a phone hotspot and connect the laptop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.